Let's go.
Welcome everybody from Floorworld and the supplier network. Awesome to have you all here again. Pancreatic cancer, which we all know has impacted the Floorworld network. It will soon surpass lung if it stays on the trajectory that it's on, and will be cancer's biggest problem. So we're leading the fight on that. Research is the key, and this relationship has become very much focused on how do we get more strategic income into cancer research to improve those patient outcomes, and we have to do that differently.
The whole thing started out back in 2020, middle of the pandemic. Amongst all of those challenges, Floorworld was the business that stood up.
I'm really proud to say that over the last 4 years, Floorworld has donated in excess of $220,000 to the Pancare Foundation to support that critical research and patient care.
So in November, Floorworld is stepping up for a cure. When you come into store and make a purchase, a percentage of that purchase will be then contributed back to Pancare.
They will then get the correct floor, not only look good, feel good, we'll also donate money back to Pancare.
I lost my uncle to pancreatic cancer 6 years ago, so Pancare and the Step Up for a Cure cause is really close to my heart.
Cancer affects many people within every individual's life, so I'm no exception, and that's one of the big reasons why personally I'm really proud to be associated with Pancare as well as Floorworld.
We're so proud to be involved with Floorworld and the Pancare promotion. We know business is tough, but to take a few extra minutes to help somebody, it's a wonderful thing to do.
And if we can contribute in the smallest way possible to help research and help people find that extra day in their lives, I think that makes a lot of sense for me.
A very big thank you to all of our Floorworld stores, our Floorworld community and our Floorworld supply partners for supporting us for our Step Up for a Cure campaign in November, and looking forward to a really successful campaign and growing on our significant contribution today.